Let us now solve the third question of this exercise 2.2. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 cm. The perimeter of the triangle is 4 and 4 whole 2 upon 15 cm. What is the length of either of the remaining equal side? So let us draw an isosceles triangle. Let us consider these two sides are equal in this triangle. The base of an isosceles triangle is 4 upon 3 cm. So this one is the base. Let us say this is 4 upon 3 cm. Again the perimeter of the triangle is given to be 4 whole 2 upon 15 cm. What is the length of the either of the remaining equal side? So these are the equal side, and what is the length of this equal sides of this triangle? We need to find it out. So we don't know what is the answer. In equation chapter, what the value you don't know is to be taken as x, the variable. So let us consider the length of the equal side of the isosceles triangle is equal to x. So again we are given that perimeter of that triangle. Given that, let us write the statement first. Perimeter of the isosceles triangle is equal to 4 upon 4 whole 2 upon 15. What do we mean by perimeter? Means addition of all three sides. The total boundary line is said to be perimeter of a shape. This is the isosceles triangle. The shape is isosceles triangle here, and we need, in order to find the perimeter, we need to add the length of all three sides. This side is given. These two sides have been taken as x. Both are same side. So the length of all three sides is x plus 4 upon 3. This is equal to 4 whole 2 upon 15. Now let us solve the equation. The equation have been framed. Let us solve it in order to find the value of x. In LHS, we have x plus x, that is 2x. When we add two objects, like let us add one bottle plus one bottle, that will be 2 bottles, right? So x plus x is similarly 2x plus 4 upon 3. Let us convert it into improper fraction in order to solve. 4 15s are 16. So 16 plus 2 is 62. This is 62 divided by 15. Let us remove 4 upon 3 first in order to find x. So as 2 is multiplied, it is very close to x. So that is the number that is far away is 4 upon 3. So let us remove that first. 62 upon 15 minus, as it was plus in the earlier side, this is to be minus 4 upon 3. This implies 2x equals to, let us take LCM here to subtract the numbers. 15 is the LCM. This is 62 into 1. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. So 5 into 4. The negative sign has to be there. So 2x equal to, let us multiply the numbers at the numerator. 62 minus 20 by 15. This implies (2x) equals to 62 minus 20 is 42 divided by 15. Let us see if we can simplify it. 4 plus 2 is 6. Yes, this is divisible by 3, and 15 is also divisible by 3. So if we cancel it by 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 42, and this is 5. Hence 2x equals to 14 upon 5. So let us remove 2 now to find x. 14 upon 5 was already there, so we need to write it first. Divided by 2. As 2 is multiplied here, we need to divide it here. This implies x equals to 14 upon 5 into 1 by 2. While dividing a number with a fraction, we need to take reciprocal of that number and multiply it. So if we cancel it with 7, this implies x equal to 7 upon 5. See, this is an improper fraction. We can convert it into mixed fraction. This implies x equals to 5 ones are 5, 2 upon 5. So 1 and 2 upon 5 cm. Therefore, the length of the equal side is 1 and 2 upon 5 cm. Thank you for watching.